another Friday food review. It's all in-house today, and I'm going to be reviewing my boyfriend's homemade pizza. He's cooking my favorite buffalo pepperoni black olive, his own vegetarian. So let's get into it. All right, so we are here at our local Fry's to pick up some pizza essentials, some fresh produce, our yeast, and flour, because we will be making pizza dough from scratch. We have done this pizza for years and wanted to show you all how he creates his own homemade pizza because it is the bomb. It is the best pizza that I have ever had in my life. So we are going to be reviewing my favorite pepperoni pizza, and then he will be creating a new vegetarian pizza that I will be trying for the first time. Look at his dough, you all. It is so beautiful and fluffy and just ready. I love, love, love his pizza dough. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, let me know if you guys make your own pizzas at home. I would love to know the recipes so I can recreate it. Look at him! Look at him! Look at him! He is all self-taught and bought a few books from Goodwill and taught himself how to make bread. And this is one of the recipes that were in that book, and he's been making this bread for, gosh, 5 or so years, and it is my favorite. I have to beg him sometimes to make me his pizzas. So I'm so happy to be sharing this with you guys. So the first one, we will be doing the vegetarian. It has pesto and some avocado, tomato, bell pepper, and mine has hot sauce, pepperoni, and black olive. That is my favorite pizza that I order out, and I love, love, love a thick crust. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite pizza is. And here is what the pizzas look like after the oven. So breathtaking, so mind-blowing. My mouth is watering as I edit this video again. I want it all. They came out beautiful. Let me know in the comments below, would you try one of these pizzas or recreate them? Let's go ahead and get into the review. Oh babe, oh my gosh, I am so impressed.
Here's a buffalo pepperoni black olive pizza. Like I said, it has the buffalo sauce, mozzarella cheese. He wanted his poofy crust, as he calls poofy crust.
Because I love the garlic.
Pepperoni black olive pizza with mozzarella cheese, his favorites. And then over here, a pesto sauce, avocado, green pepper, tomato pizza with mozzarella cheese as well. And
look at how beautiful.
Pesto on top.
Beautiful. It's gorgeous. So
We're
this
gonna
is,
try this.
and I will try this. It's so gorgeous.
Vegetarian choice. Let's get into it. I'll cut you a slice.
Wow, look at that crust. Truly, I mean, I love a thick crust pizza, and you kill it with this beautiful creation. Let's see how it tastes.
I kept mine flat, like mine's more of a crust. He was like, I want a bulky crust. This is buffalo, pepperoni, black olives, mozzarella cheese, garlic on the rim.
What I'm saying about is your crust, your platform, the dough.
The dough, so the crust, the dough is just yeast, water, and flour. That's it.
I love pizza, and you killed it.
Are you gonna try my vegetarian?
I'm gonna try that pizza right there.
Tomato, avocado, green peppers, basil, or Chef Ramsay will say a basil.
Oh my gosh, Gerardo. I know he's my boyfriend, but he's the best chef, and this pizza is a staple. I wish you all could try it through the camera.
I know. If I had my own restaurant pizza, I would make the chase, this pepperoni, black olive, mozzarella with like buffalo wings on top of it, so it'd be like drums. You just eat the wings off.
That sounds so good.
Some of it would be shredded on it, but then like some drums on top. That doesn't. I gotta try the vegetarian now. Let's see it. I love avocado. The only thing on there that you don't like care for,
Tomatoes, but just try it. It's beautiful.
bell peppers.
Oh my gosh, baby.
What do you think?
I love the avocado and bell pepper.
Good flavor. I like it. I like it.
I love the pesto. I love the pesto, the avocado, bell peppers.
I know, which of course you're like Louisiana, but I like Valentina. I love hot sauce with my pizza for some reason. It's like growing up in Mexicali, they had this like you get pizza, get like these little hot sauce packets with your pizzas, like little individual pizzas. So I think that's where I acquired the taste for hot sauce on my pizza.
I love hot sauce on my pizza. I don't know where I got those. Babe, I didn't think I was gonna like your vegetarian pizza. Will you cut me another pizza? Like, seriously.
What?
I loved it. Oh my gosh, the avocado in it was so good. It's just so creamy. And is it weird to say avocado is salty?
I don't think that was salt on it.
So good. Gosh, you guys, I wish you could so taste this pizza. It's so good. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining us on this Friday food review. You killed it on that pizza. I could eat the pizza every day. Pepperoni, black olive, and hot sauce is my favorite. This is my newfound favorite. I love the avocado, love the tomato, paired really nicely with pesto and bell peppers. This was a really good pizza.
So easy to make.
So easy to make. Next time you're craving pizza, skip the restaurants, skip Papa John's, go and get your own ingredients and create your own pizzas, because I bet you it's better than theirs. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you enjoyed this Friday food review, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you guys again so much for watching and hanging out with us. Please don't forget to leave in the comments below your favorite pizza. I would love to hear from you. And I also wanted to let you guys know that these Food Review Fridays will be coming out every other Friday. So stay tuned, because these will come out every other Friday. Thanks guys, and have a good weekend. Be safe. Bye.